As discussed this semester, sea level rise and storm surges are detrimental to the livelihood of any coastal city. The Florida Keys is a prime example of what sea level rise will look like very early into all the climate models. As shown by Hurricane Irma in 2017, the flooding from the storm surge caused a devastating property damage and unhealthy ecosystem destruction. This spurred the thought into residents of the Keys. Suddenly, sea level rise was tangible and the effects were real. 5 feet of sea rise will cost the Florida Keys $27 billion along with 56,000 residents' homes. 90% of their land is within 5 feet of sea level, and the Keys are expected to disappear by 2040, with no mitigation. So they are investing time into raising their houses and heightening their roads. Currently, they are focused on educating residents regarding the actions that should be taken when the storm strikes their homes. They have a very positive outlook, but unfortunately this seems too passive and not enough aggressive to address this problem. The Florida Keys is not only a tourist location, which is helping drive our economy, it also has a unique scenario in that there is a major U.S. Navy base located here. Since the government prioritizes the military, they are all but guaranteed to receive funds and aid when fighting the quickly rising sea.